From silent skies, a new eye reveals Earth's hidden stories.
Elephants follow ancient paths, shaping landscapes with quiet strength and memory.
Predators wait patiently, calculating movements where timing decides survival outcomes.
Herds suddenly scatter, reacting instantly to unseen danger signals nearby.
Forests breathe beneath dense canopies, hiding countless lives in shadow.
Primates leap through branches where one mistake ends everything instantly.
Frozen lands demand endurance against relentless cold and unforgiving winds. Desert life adapts silently, mastering extremes that challenge survival daily. Oceans reveal giants moving effortlessly through vast unknown depths. Fish move together, forming patterns that confuse predators with precision. Birds navigate vast skies, guided by instinct and unseen forces. Ecosystems connect deeply, where small changes ripple across entire worlds. Life survives through balance, conflict, and forces older than humanity. As we rise higher, this world remains shared, never ours alone.